Hello everyone, it's Monika and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm coming to you with a project share. It's a project I've done for Craft O'Clock YouTube channel. I do a video tutorials once a month for that brand, and I share step-by-step tutorials. So if you want to see tutorial for this, as you can see, a bird's house, I'm going to link it at the end of the video and in the description box below the video as well, so you can have a look. You can check out how I made it. So basically what I did, I used a chipboard, 3D bird's house chipboard, which I had to put together, and I decorated with this beautiful collection called Vintage Sky. It's a brand new collection. Craft O'Clock released 3 collections about a month ago, and this is one of the collections. And then I decorate the birdhouse with a lot of elements for fussy cutting. So I still got quite a lot of them left, and still a lot of sheets to fussy cut as well. So they've got those beautiful flowers, big clusters of flowers, nice looking leaves, quite a bigger size as well, and those single ones, small ones in different shapes. So there are so many elements you can use from that collection and from those sheets for fussy cutting. This is just a little bit a section from that big leaf, and there are some small flowers like this one. Let me put it aside. Let me show you a few of them so you can see what kind of elements you can have. And what's nice about this brand is that they are double-sided, so you've got the same image on both sides, so you don't have to worry that someone is going to see something from, I don't know, from underneath or something. And they do have in this collection beautiful butterflies, dragonflies, different colors, different shapes as well. So there are so many beautiful elements you can cut out from those sheets. It's like lots of them. So yeah, that's what I had left over. I think I cut out only 2 or 3 sheets, so this is still a lot of things left for me to use. As you can see, I even cut out this birdie. So what I did, I traced around every single part of that bird's house, and I glue it flat on all around it. I inked the sides as well. I used, as you can see, a lot of elements for fussy cutting, and layered on top of each other. I use hot glue gun, I use 3D foam pads, I use this beautiful vintage ribbon. Of course, I added butterflies. This one is small, and the same bigger one, and I added some art stones, so I had to use gel medium as well. I used some gesso, glitter, so many different things. As you can see, for texture I used some cheesecloth, if you can see on this side, and of course I added some gesso to give it a bit more shabby chic look. So I hope you like this project. If you want to see step-by-step tutorial how I put everything together, please go over to Craft O'Clock YouTube channel. The link will be at the end of this video somewhere, and let me know what do you think about this project. I really looking forward to reading your comments, and really want to know what do you think about this. You don't really see often projects like this on my YouTube channel, because of course they take so much time, and it's actually not that easy to record projects like that, but I hope you will like it. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your comments, likes, and your support, constant support. And I don't know if you remember, I've got my 5K giveaway, which I'm going to link at the end as well, so you can check out the prizes I prepared for 2 lucky winners. And again, I hope you're going to have nice day, crafty day, if you've got time for crafting today. It's Monday, so probably most of you are at work or doing something else. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.